What is hinge mat in SolidWorks? These are the hinge part 1 and part 2. Now let's activate mat. Now here you will see mechanical. Go to mechanical, and in mechanical you will see hinge mat. Click and activate. Now here there is a two boxes in one concentric selection. So I am going to select this circular edge face, these two circular faces, and the coincident faces. Anyone either inside or outside, this is just going to be fixed. So I am going to select these two outside, which is going to be perfect. Now look, it is going to fix inside. Now even though there is one option called specify angle limit, if you activate it, now you can apply angle also between these two faces. So let's say select angle selection. I am going to select these two faces. Now at this stage, the angle between these two faces 0 degree. You will see here, if you say 30 degree, see it is moving upside. So similarly, let's say 0. Now this is, I am going to select 180 degree, and negative means I want to move back side also. So minus 90 degree. Say OK, cancel. Now let's move. Look, this is moving 90 degree from 180 degree maximum this side and minus 90 degree back side. See, after this it will not move. Minus 90, 180. So this is how hinge mat works in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.